Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you one of the options how you can easily backup your QuickBooks Online account that you use. Now, having a backup is really important. If, let's say, something would happen, your account would get deleted or you would get hacked, whatever, many things can happen. So having a backup, the option to backup, to restore, and also all your information is really important, so you can have peace of mind, right? So let me show you one of the options how we can do it. What you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're going to do it, you will end up right here in Rewind. And what you want to do is just simply start a free trial on the right top side and create an account. But that's what you can do. I'm going to show you also how we can do the backup for QuickBooks Online and what option you actually have. So when you come here to the Rewind, you're going to see the protect your data, protect your clients. QuickBooks Online backups is platform, not your files. Secure QuickBooks Online files with Rewind. And now what Rewind backs up for QuickBooks Online? You can restore individual items, including attachments, reports, expenses, and more. Your complete QuickBooks Online files exactly how you need them. Then I'm going to show you the pricing plans right here. So you see that 10 files a month would get you 7.70 USD per file per month. It's like really great. It only depends how many files. You can manage multiple client files, 7-day free trial, comprehensive daily backups, unlimited restores, and then you get also real-time backups, multi-user support. So this is really great, and the more files you're gonna have, the pricing per one file will be cheaper. So that's really great. And you can of course like choose, it really depends how many files you have. And then you just like click on the start your free trial. You then sign with the Gmail or normal mail. You add your email address, organization name, phone number, and everything. And you're good to go and you're covered. So that's all what you actually have to do, and you don't have to do anything else. And then you just like connect it with your QuickBooks account and you're good to go. Now Rewind QuickBooks, I'm going to write it like this. And look at this, how many good reviews it has. See, 235 ratings. And let me show. And I'm going to play the video, how it actually sees. Let's see it together. Welcome to Rewind, backup in progress, backup completed, and you would find it everything right here. So that's what you can do, also restore everything, and that's pretty good. So this is pretty much it, how you can restore and data your QuickBooks and backup your QuickBooks Online account. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.